Hi, good morning. So, in case you do not know how to use the Dhumpana, I'm going to show you today. So, I have an electric burner, and this works, or a gas burner works, either way. You're going to turn it on to high. You have your coal cubes here, coconut coal, and I've got my bowl prepared so that as soon as my coal is lit, I can throw it into there. So I'm just going to put the coal right on the burner. I've put it on high, putting it right on the burner, and I've got my tongs here so that I don't burn myself. And it's as easy as that. You just wait until it's lit and put them in the bowl, and you sprinkle your dhumpana right onto that, whichever herbs you are using. Um, and then you inhale the smoke that comes from that. So super easy. Um, just takes a little bit of time to get the heat going. It's probably a little bit easier on a gas flame, but I have an electric, so that's what we're going to use. And we'll just wait for it to ignite. You can see it start to smoke. So then I just let it go for a couple of seconds and turn it over. Just to check, and no, not done yet, so I'm going to let it continue smoking. And you don't need to do two, you can do just one. So that's just up to you how you do it. You can save one for later. And you can smell the coal starting to burn. Yep, you can see the smoke. I am going to turn on my vent because in the apartment, any smoke causes the fire alarm to go off. So you will see a little bit of red around the edges when it is lit. And I'm just waiting for it to get a little bit red around the edges. I'll turn it up a little bit more. Yep. Now I can see it starting to turn red. And you can see right at the tips there is where it first starts to burn. I'm just going to let it go for a little bit longer. Over if you want it burning from all four sides, or you can just do one side and it's easier to douse the flame. So I'm just going to throw it in there, into my bowl, with the lit side up, turn off the flame, and you use your herbs, whatever herbs you're using. I'm using balance today. So you just throw them right on, and you see it start smoking. You just want to inhale that smoke. You do want to inhale through the nose for the maximum benefit. And just exhale through the mouth. You can leave it lit in the house if it's allergy season and you have herbs that help with that. So when you're done, I simply take a spoon and prevent the oxygen from getting to it. You can cover it with another bowl or plate. And it's ready for your next use whenever you're ready. Just shake off the herbs, place it back on the burner, and use whatever herbs you need to use. So thank you.